How to convert images into cut files in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First, load the images you want to use into Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Click the gear icon on the bottom right toolbar to open Preferences. Step 3. Select the Defaults tab. Scroll to the bottom. Click the Panel Mode drop-down and select Multiple Panel Mode. Step 4. Click OK to save the changes. Step 5. Once done, check the Page Setup panel and confirm that you've set the settings. Step 6. Close the Page Setup panel. Step 7. Open the Trace panel and the Image Effects panel from the right toolbar. Step 8. Click and drag the design into the cut area. Step 9. If you're using a bright image, select the Contrast, Brightness, and Saturation tab from the Image Effects panel. Step 10. Bring the brightness down until the design is visible, then click Apply. Step 11. Now go to the Trace panel and click Select Trace Area. Step 12. Click and draw a box over the design to select it and ensure that Solid Fill is selected. Step 13. Increase the threshold until every part of the design is yellow and click Trace. Step 14. Drag the image aside. Click the trace lines. Click the Fill Color drop-down in the Quick Access toolbar and select Black. Step 15. Set the design side by side and go to the Send panel. Step 16. The cut lines will be visible on the traced image. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.